In today's video, I'm going to teach you to freeze or unfreeze your Barclays debit or credit card. This is a quick, secure way to pause your card if you've misplaced it or just want extra peace of mind. A temporary freeze stops your card from being used, and just as easily you can unfreeze it when you're ready to spend again. Start by opening the Barclays app and logging into your account. Give the app a moment to load your details so everything on screen is up to date. Once you're in, head straight to the section labelled Your Cards. This is where all your active cards appear in one place, making it easy to manage them without digging through menus. Next, choose the specific card you want to manage. If you have more than one, take a second to confirm you're selecting the right debit or credit card. You'll see the card's details and controls on its page, and that's where you'll make the change. Now, look for the option called Temporary Freeze. It may appear alongside other card controls, so scroll carefully until you spot it. When you're ready to freeze your card, simply toggle that option on. As soon as the freeze is active, your card won't work for payments, cash withdrawals, or Apple Pay. Think of it like putting your card on pause. The card number and digital wallet remain linked to your account, but transactions are blocked while the freeze is on. This helps protect you from unauthorized use while you check bags, retrace your steps, or wait for the card to turn up. If you find your card and you're comfortable using it again, return to the same temporary freeze option and toggle it off. Unfreezing is just as quick, and your card will be ready to use again for purchases, cash withdrawals, and Apple Pay. There's no need to change your card details or re-add it to your wallet. The freeze simply lifts and normal service resumes. And that's it. Open the Barclays app and log in. Go to your cards, select the card you want to manage, find temporary freeze, and toggle it onto pause or off to resume. It's fast, it's reversible, and it gives you control whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and remember, a temporary freeze is a smart way to stay secure while keeping things simple.